DKH or alkalinity test instructions. First of all, we'll see the expiry date on the box and we'll look what we have inside the box. So first we have the indicator marked as alkalinity 1. Second, we have the solution marked as alkalinity 2. We have now one syringe of 5 ml. We have the test vial with a syringe of 1 ml, the test vial itself, and the green tip. So now to the process. The alkalinity is a name given to a quantitative capacity of water to neutralize an acid. It's a bit tricky because the accuracy of DKH test is related to a basic correlation based on some known reference. It happened because of the bicarbonate is gone once the pH is 4.5, and we'll show it later on. So let's start with the test. In this case, we'll take the 5 ml of natural seawater, or in your case aquarium water, and we'll put it into the test vial. Now we are going to add 3 drops of alkalinity 1 to the test vial and swirl gently. The solution will appear in a kind of yellowish color inside the test vial. Using the 1 ml syringe, we'll place the plastic tip firmly and draw up the alkalinity 2 until the lower end of syringe's black rubber is right on the 1 ml mark. Don't forget to take out the bubble, so actually the result that you should look at is 0.9 ml in the syringe. Now we'll take the solution and we'll start adding alkalinity 2 to the test vial, 1 drop at a time, swirling a little after each drop, until the solution will change its color. We found out that using our indicator with the calibrations that we are doing is giving us stable, long and reliable indicator that we can calibrate and get very accurate results. So now the color has been changed, and we'll take the 1 ml syringe and we'll take the readings again from the lower part of the rubber ring, and the result is 0.51. We go to the table of alkalinity, and next to 0.51 we can see that the result is 6.9 DKH, the exact level of DKH in natural seawater. In order to show you the color changes inside the test vial, we put the 2 test vials next to each other. The first one is the one once we added the 3 drops of alkalinity 1 indicator. That's the color that we should start with. And the other test vial is the test vial where the color has been changed. So once we get these changes in the color, we know that that's the time to go to the chart and to look for the real numbers of alkalinity.